Here's what nobody tells you. You can build a gaming PC that destroys games without spending a fortune. Most people think you need a small fortune to get serious performance. Not true. Stick with me, I'll show you how. The heart of this beast is the Ryzen 5 7600X CPU. 6 cores, 12 threads. It's a workhorse for gaming and more. Plus it sips power compared to some other options. Then there's the GPU, an RTX 3080 Ti. This card will let you max out settings in every game at 1440p. It's based on the latest architecture with DLSS for even better performance. But wait, there's more. You also need fast RAM and a snappy SSD. We're going with 16 GB DDR5-6000 to keep things speedy. And a 1 TB NVMe SSD will load games faster than anything else out there. The key is knowing where to spend your money. These parts work together like a well-oiled machine for gaming that won't break the bank. Here's the rewritten text with prosody. This isn't just any board. It's a B650 supporting Ryzen and PCIe 5. 0 for future-proofing. Plenty of USB ports, and 2 slot for the SSD, built-in Wi-Fi. Does that matter? Remember, it's not just the flashy components supporting parts like RAM and storage are crucial to building a balanced system. Putting it all together, so let's talk about actually assembling this PC. The key is to take your time and follow a good guide. There are plenty of great resources out there that will walk you through every step. One tip, make sure all your cables are neatly managed. This not only looks cleaner, but can improve airflow inside the case. Once everything is buttoned up, it's time for the smoke test, powering it on for the first time. Assuming you've connected everything correctly, you should see your system boot right up. After that, it's just a matter of installing Windows, updating drivers, and jumping into your favorite games. This rig will handle anything you throw at it with ease. So there you have it, a fully loaded gaming PC for under $1,000. With smart part selection and careful assembly, building your own powerhouse system is totally achievable on any budget. That's all for this build guide, but we've got plenty more where that came from. If you found this helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Here's the thing, other guides just give you a list. But this doesn't just tell you what to get, it shows you how they work. And if you're wondering why we know so much, just look at our stats. We've tested thousands of gadgets, so when we say something's great, you can trust us. Does it work? Yes, consistently, every time. Because we don't just review products, we put them through hell to see how they hold up.